Hi there, students. To delineate, delineate, a verb, delineation, a noun, delineative, an adjective. Okay, so to delineate, I think we use in maybe two ways. Firstly, to delineate, to mark or describe the edge of something. So the map delineates the borders of your property. There was a committee from both countries to delineate exactly where the border between the two countries ran. They negotiated the delineation of the borders. And then we also used to delineate, meaning to describe something, to portray something precisely. So in this video, I'm going to delineate the meanings of to delineate. Okay, the law should delineate exactly what is right and what is wrong. It should delineate exactly what it means. Unfortunately, it doesn't always delineate it very clearly, and that's a problem. So if you delineate something like an idea or a situation, you define it, and often in great detail. It's not necessarily in great detail. It could just be a sketch of it. So the introduction delineates what is going to come in the body of this work. So to outline, to describe, yeah, you could describe in words, or you could also use to delineate, to describe in pictures. So yeah, the diagrams delineate the concepts set out in this document. So to depict or represent with pictures, or to depict or represent with words, or even with gestures. Yeah, to delineate, to trace the outline of something, so you know the exact borders. Could you delineate exactly what you mean by the subjunctive tense? Yeah. Your contract, your work contract, should delineate exactly what your responsibilities are. Well, I think employers like to leave it a bit fuzzy, unclear, hazy, because like that they can then all permanently ask you to do more things. Yeah, the characters in the book were not well delineated. Yeah, they were not well characterized, and that made them not very believable. To delineate, to establish the position of the border. There is a fence delineating the border between my property and my next door neighbour's house. Okay, so it's delineated to show the form or the outline of something, literally to draw around the edge of it. Yeah, so if you know the exact borders, you know the scope of it. Okay, so to delineate, to limn. Yeah, that's a really good word. Look that one up in my videos. Okay, so to outline, to describe, to portray, to sketch, to depict, to characterize. The relationship between the church and the state was delineated in a formal agreement. Yeah. There was a settlement between the two countries that an independent group should delineate the border between the two. To delineate, to present a lifelike image of something. So yes, the description delineated his character absolutely perfectly. So to delineate, this is probably quite a formal word. I think I'm probably going to give it something like 6.5 to 7. I don't think I would use to delineate in an informal conversation. You might, but it's on the edge of conceivability. um, informally, to describe, to outline, to trace, to show, yeah, to represent. Those would all be good informal words. To delineate as well, a regular verb. He delineated what he was going to do. He has delineated this very clearly. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, from delineo, meaning to sketch out, from de, out of, and linea, or line. Okay, so to delineate, to explain. So I hope I've delineated the meaning quite easily. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To delineate.